My name is Zoya Samaroo, and I am the owner of Coriolis Designs, which is basically a business that upscales and upcycles broken bottles that are littered on the beach, which are called sea glass. So what happens is when these bottles are littered on the beach, the sands and the waves smooth them over and they have a nice frosted look. So I make a variety of stuff. I make charm bracelets, I make charm necklaces, I have bottles with sand in them, so it's like a little bit of the beach taken home. I have a variety of bracelets, I have a variety of different types of jewelry. And my main goal at the end of all of this is to help to promote a cleaner and green environment, try to raise awareness about the littering on the beaches and how we can change our lifestyle to better adapt to help the planet.
So, what influenced you along the way in terms of the stuff that you produce?
So I am studying Marine Biologist at the university, so I spend a lot of time at the beach naturally, but I have also been a big fan of the beach since I was very little. So when I would walk on the beach, I would find these broken bottles and I would collect them in like large jars. So I always wondered, what can I use them for? What can I do with them? Because they were wasted in a bottle. So I decided about 2 years ago that I was going to start making jewelry like for my friends as crafts, as hobby. And somebody pitched the idea, you should start a business, this is really good. So it kind of took off from there, and I have now officially decided to come out and start my business. So I can be found on Instagram and Facebook at Coriolis Designs, and I take custom orders as well as create my own unique pieces.
What has the support been like for the work that you've been doing?
Pardon?
What has the support been like for the work you've been doing?
Excellent support, honestly. The artist community in Guyana has been extremely welcoming, extremely supportive. I've gotten lots of great tips and tricks from everybody that's well experienced in the field. So I think it's extremely great. The support is wonderful, and it's very encouraging as a young person stepping out into something that they're not very familiar with. So I'm very proud of Guyana and Guyanese for keeping that up. In terms of challenges, the main challenge I would say is like tackling my work and my school, managing my time, but I think most of us have that problem when we're into crafts as well. But I keep trying to tell people at the end of the day, make sure that if you're going to do something, you're very passionate about it, make sure that you're in love with what you do. You wake up every day and you want to do it rather than making it a chore. And so in the end, it becomes a reflection of yourself, an extension of yourself.